Rob Frazier here. I know my clap's a little weak. Rob Frazier here. Anyway, this video, I wanted to simply just give a short introduction as to what I'm doing now and maybe a little bit of why I'm doing it. I don't know. But basically, turn your stress into success. My new campaign, marketing, mental health, and money. The easiest success plan you ever follow. I think so. Of course, I may be a little biased. Watch the video, check it out. See if anything relates to yourself and your own situation. So long story short, 12 years Marine Corps, got out, was in 6 figures of debt, paid it all off with affiliate marketing, was making anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000. Actually, my highest week was $20,000, but my average was $5,000 to $10,000 a week in affiliate marketing. Stopped doing the daily disciplines, fell back down on my face. Currently rebuilding myself back up. Joined a few scams here and there, lost money, blah, blah, blah. Spare me the sad sob story, right? So anyway, turn your stress into success. And so marketing, mental health, and money. So with marketing, once you opt in, the page below the video is going to look like this. Or you may be watching this video, and underneath this video is going to be a link, and it's going to be a link to this page right here. This is basically just a short little AI video that I put together to kind of briefly introduce the plan, and it consists of a few different parts. We're going to start leveraging AI, artificial intelligence, NLP, neuro linguistic programming, big word, and crypto. Seem like some random things to put together. Me and my ADHD self put this plan together, but this is an attempt for me to just kind of lay it out and kind of tell you why. So again, marketing, mental health, and money. When you click the link below the video, it's going to take you to another little page like this, and we're going to talk about the faceless AI tools that we're going to use. So if you want to make a faceless channel or use faceless content, basically you want to make content to promote whatever business you are in or this system itself, you can do that. In the past, I used to always tell people, make YouTube videos, but people would get, having heart palpitations and they don't want to be on YouTube. But with this software, you don't even have to. All you got to do is type up a little prompt. I'll show you how to write unlimited prompts. And then you can just crank out videos and just not even have to be in camera. When I went on vacation, I didn't have time to always be doing videos. And I just started using the software. Also, when my energy is not up, sometimes I'm stressed out about something and I don't want to get and film a video, and it takes me a while to get into like a positive mental state to film a video. Because if you're if you have a crap attitude, it's going to come through in your video. So that's another reason that you may want to consider using these faceless tools. So that's with the marketing. And every single day, once you opt into this page, you're going to get an email from me. The email is going to be divided up into 4 parts. Marketing, mental health, and money. Those are going to be the main topics that I'm talking about, and all of them relate to each other. So on this page, you'll learn about the faceless AI tools that we use, that you can look at my channel. I'll send you examples of these videos, countless videos that I create that I'm not in, that I throw up on my YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram Stories, Reels, Facebook Stories, Reels. You get the point. So that right there is the first piece. The second piece is the NLP ebook. The NLP ebook from a guy named Paul Turner. He wrote the book. He says NLP, he talks about the origin. He talks about the most popular guy who uses it, Anthony Robbins. And also, I've been studying NLP myself, and using NLP and ChatGPT, I found different ways to handle different toxic people in my life, kind of changing the subject just a little bit. NLP doesn't just apply to trying to make money online. NLP can apply to any area of your life. Offline, I do handyman work. I do courier gigs. I sometimes do Uber here and there. And the NLP helps me connect with people, helps me communicate, helps me get bigger tips, helps me communicate these videos online. I'm not perfect, but it really does help and basically just opens you up for more success. So I don't know what your personal situation is. Me, I got two, three, I got a few people in my life that are very close to me that some would deem toxic. I think I'm sometimes the toxic one. And so what I'll do is I'll take the NLP book, I'll take a tactic, I'll take something that's been happening to me, or a conversation or an argument that I've been having with some people. I'll ask chat, how can I use these NLP techniques to better communicate my point or whatever, blah, blah, blah. And I'll get some very good information. So I say all that because in my email, every single email is going to be a mental health tip. And mental health, it could be relationships, it could be personal, it could be financial. But it's going to be revolving around this NLP thing that I'm starting to really get into. Also, on another note, I am studying psychology. I'm eventually want to get it's called a PsyD in psychology. So combining that with NLP, with AI, that's the type of stuff that I'm into. All about learning, personal growth, success, communicating better, just trying to be a better person, because the better you are, the more money you're going to make, blah, 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 you get the point. So that's the second piece. And also, the faceless AI tools, it's a one-time payment. You don't have to pay monthly or anything crazy like that to get the software. The NLP book, one time $7. Takes like 2 minutes to get. Same thing here too. This one might take a little bit longer just because there's more information to go through, but it's very simple. Go through, you make the payment, you immediately get access to everything. NLP book, one time $7. And lastly, money. We're all here because of money. Money is like one of the biggest things that stresses me out, stresses other people out, and then when you compound financial difficulties with personal difficulties and blah, you just get a whole cocktail of crap sometimes you got to deal with. So I put together a crypto retirement plan, and all you have to really do with this whole system is just on a daily basis feed it a little bit of crypto. What I do is every single day I'll take the software from the faceless tools, crank out a video, and then when I do go drive or do a handyman gig or do a courier gig or deliver a package, I get paid daily. I'll take a little bit, I buy Bitcoin, and that's all I really do is I feed my system a video a day, and if I can, a little bit of crypto every single day, and that basically builds up my traffic, builds up my crypto trading account, and then everything starts working together. So, and then the very last piece, I got to actually swap out that video. This is going to be a simple way to get traffic to this whole thing. So, I know I throw a lot of information out there. This is just meant to be like a bird's eye view. Marketing, mental health, and money. And when I say money, I'm also going to be talking about micro investing. I'm starting over from scratch again. And the idea is to basically take you on my journey and also to encourage you to take the same journey as well. Because a lot of us are in crazy situations. And I'm sure you can agree that if you could just make a little bit more money, that would take the edge off. So anyways, also on another note, we got like some high winds here. And I don't know if you can hear it through the camera, but wrapping this video up, name's Rob Frazier. The link will be below this video. Again, if you're watching this on YouTube, this link will be below the video. If you're catching this video in an email, this link will be below the video. Just go ahead and click on it. Check out the system. And that's everything that I do on a daily basis is within this system. Everything that I email, there's no, this is it. This is what I do. I wake up, I follow my daily disciplines. I call it, I follow my 4 M's, M4 mastery. All I do is follow my 4 M's on a daily basis. And even with my emails, you're going to get marketing, mental health, mindset, money, and it's just, it's just everything just works together. So if you stuck with me this long, congrats. Haven't made a video in a while, so I'm, kind of rambling on here at the end, but get the point. Links below the video. Names are Fraser. Questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the description. We'll see you in the next one. Peace!